Welcome to this video on the best foods for your brain. Scientists continue to uncover evidence that what we eat plays a huge role in the health of our brains. When it comes to staying mentally sharp and focused, eating plenty of brain foods matters, especially for our gray matter. The gut and the brain are tightly connected. And when we focus on giving our bodies whole, nutritious foods, we help take care of both. In this video, we will be discussing some top brain healthy foods recommended by experts to help stave off age-related cognitive decline. First on our list are avocados. While they often get a bad reputation because of their high fat content, it's important to note that these green powerhouses are packed with monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower rates of cognitive decline and keep blood sugar levels steady. Avocados help prevent blood clots in the brain, protect against stroke, and improve brain functions related to memory and concentration. They're also rich in vitamin B and vitamin C, which aren't stored in your body and need to be replenished daily. Next up are beets. Root vegetables that help reduce inflammation, are high in cancer-protecting antioxidants and help rid your blood of toxins. The natural nitrates in beets actually boost blood flow to the brain, helping with mental performance. Plus, during tough workouts, beets actually help boost energy and performance levels. Third on our list are blueberries, which are one of the highest antioxidant-rich foods known to man. They contain vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. Blueberries are especially good at protecting our brains from degeneration, cognitive decline, and stress. They can be incorporated into your diet through an omega blueberry smoothie or a healthy blueberry cobbler. Bone broth is fourth on our list. It's the ultimate food for healing your gut and, in turn, helps heal your brain. This ancient food is full of benefits, ranging from boosting your immune system to overcoming leaky gut, improving joint health, and overcoming food allergies. Its high levels of collagen help reduce intestinal inflammation, and healing amino acids like proline and glycine keep your immune system functioning properly and help improve memory. Fifth on our list is celery. Despite having few calories, celery offers a lot of benefits. Its high levels of antioxidants and polysaccharides act as natural anti-inflammatories and can help alleviate symptoms related to inflammation. Celery is a great addition to a salad, smoothie, or soup. Sixth on our list is coconut oil. It's an excellent source of healthy fats that help improve cognitive function. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which the body breaks down into ketones that can be used as an alternative energy source for the brain. Coconut oil can be used in place of other oils for cooking or can be added to smoothies. Seventh on our list is dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate is a brain-healthy food that contains flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that can help improve blood flow to the brain, which in turn can improve cognitive function. Dark chocolate is a great addition to trail mix or can be enjoyed on its own. Finally, turmeric. It's the spice that gives curry its yellow color and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. The active ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin, which has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies have also found that curcumin may help improve memory and mood, as well as protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Try adding turmeric to your meals or enjoy it in a golden milk latte. In conclusion, what we eat can have a significant impact on our brain health and function. By focusing on whole, nutritious foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals, we can support gut health, reduce inflammation, and protect our brains against cognitive decline and disease. So, make sure to include some of these foods in your diet. And remember, a healthy body means a healthy mind, so take care of yourself both inside and out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.